thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it. Try again. Do better the second time. The only people who never tumble are those who never mount the high wire. This is your moment. Own it. I know where I'm going and I know the truth. And I don't have to be what you want me to be. I'm free to be what I want. The will to succeed is important, but what's more important is the will to prepare. Do something wonderful. People may imitate it. Pursue one great decisive aim, with force and determination. The people who influence you are the people who believe in you. To be a good loser is to learn how to win. Follow your dreams, work hard, practice, and persevere. Make sure you eat various foods, get plenty of exercises, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Do not wait. The time will never be just right. Start where you stand, and work with whatever tools you may have at your command, and better tools will be found as you go along. You are not here merely to make a living. You are here in order to enable the world to live more amply, with greater vision, and with a finer spirit of hope and achievement. Be impeccable with your word. Speak with integrity. Say only what you mean. Avoid using the word to speak against yourself, or to gossip about others. Use the power of your word in the direction of truth and love. You must take action now that will move you toward your goals. Develop a sense of urgency in your life. I really believe that everyone has a talent, ability, or skill that he can mine to support himself and to succeed in life. Press forward. Do not stop, do not linger in your journey, but strive for the mark set before you. If you want to conquer fear, don't sit at home and think about it. Go out and get busy. Be gentle to all, and stern with yourself. Wherever you are, be all there. Arriving at one goal is the starting point of another. I learned that we can do anything, but we can't do everything. At least not at the same time. So think of your priorities, not in terms of what activities you do, but when you do them. Timing is everything. I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. No matter how many goals you have achieved, you must set your sights on a higher one. The hardships that I encountered in the past will help me succeed in the future. You can't wait for inspiration. You have to go after it with a club. Don't give up. Don't lose hope. Don't sell out. Even if you fall on your face, you're still moving forward. Always desire to learn something useful. I am not afraid. I was born to do this. Hitch your wagon to a star. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. When you fail, You learn from the mistakes you made, and it motivates you to work even harder. Always continue the climb. It is possible for you to do whatever you choose, if you first get to know who you are and are willing to work with a power that is greater than ourselves to do it. It is very important to know who you are, to make decisions, to show who you are. You can't expect to hit the jackpot if you don't put a few nickels in the machine. There is progress, whether ye are going forward or backward. The thing is to move. In motivating people, you've got to engage their minds and their hearts. I motivate people, I hope, by example, and perhaps by excitement, by having productive ideas to make others feel involved. To be wholly devoted to some intellectual exercise is to have succeeded in life. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential, these are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. The weeds keep multiplying in our garden, which is our mind ruled by fear. Rip them out and call them by name. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new